This is Akhbar Al-Fadl, which is their major newspaper they use to educate their people. Date is 24th of January 1931, and this is on page number 10, and the number of this whole volume is 86 and 87. Now I read the reference. It says that no Muslim has ever said this about Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What? They are too basic. They are too advanced. This reference is telling us that no Muslim has ever said this. And Razi was trying to say, Shah Waliullah said, Flan said, this said. He was just lying because their own official newspaper is telling you that no Muslim has ever said this, that they are too advanced of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, you may be thinking, what is the implication? Let me read you the implication. I displayed this in the beginning as well, but let me read for you. This is Ruhani Khazain, volume 7, page number 62. It says, Mirza Sahib is telling us a principle. That is usul. The usul of Mirza Sahib here is, he says that those things upon which the belief is dependent, they are continuously published in all times and all ages. Right? Now look at the premise A. Listen everybody carefully. Premise A. Those things on which Iman is dependent, they are published in all time and all ages. That's premise A. Premise B. They have accepted that no Muslim has ever said about the true advent of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So what is the conclusion? It is all rubbish what they are saying. This is their own principle. Okay, this is their own principle. Go and verify all of that. They have invented a worse lie